Welcome back, guys. Johnny here. And if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market and how easy it can be to make money if you do it the right way. In today's video, I'm going to show you a paper trading account that I started about a month ago and how I'm up 14% in a month and how you can do the same exact thing. Now, I'm going to be able to show you everything on this account. I'm using Webull. And if you're not sure about Webull, you can sign up with the link below or really with anyone's link and get 2 free shares. I think they might even have 4 free shares now, but no one wants to hear that. What you want to hear is how I'm able to perform at such a high level now with paper money. Now, this isn't real money, but it is real strategy, and that is what you're going to want when you make these plays and use real cash. So, how do you grow a small account? Well, obviously this account isn't very small, but what I wanted to do was simulate $25,000 account that you can day trade as much as you want without getting the PDT rule, right? So without $25,000, you can only make technically 2 or 3 day trades in a week. I think if you do more than 3, then you get that PDT rule. You can get flagged, and I believe you can't trade for like a week or 2, something like that. But if you can incorporate some of the strategies that I do, I don't necessarily just day trade, but I day trade, I swing trade, and I also long-term trade with the benefit of dividends and appreciation over time. So, as you can see, for Friday, actually, because I'm filming this on Saturday, I was up $463 for the day. Now, most of my money is in the market right now. Market value is just shy of 27,000. We have a total of $28,577 in this account. I'm up $3,577 or 14%. And as you can see, in the last month, from January 14th, I was at $25,030 to now $20,000. So let's talk a little bit about it. As you can see, back on these months, I wasn't even really trading. For some reason, it said I had money in my account and it was going up and down, but I didn't have any shares of anything. So I didn't even technically start trading till like the 26th. And if I showed you all my orders, just to show you, even in the last 6 months, because I know it doesn't go that far back, my first order ever was on, January 4th. So that was my first order of some Gladstone properties, Realty Income properties, and Starwood Trust properties. Now, those are some long-term plays. I didn't start day trading, though, until, look, January 25th. So, from January 25th, look there, I was at 25,200 in a matter of a couple of days, which you can see here too. The 25th, I was up $51. 26th, I was up $63. Then I was down 37 the next day, 300 the following day, and this was a risky play on, I believe it was INO in Inovio Pharmaceutical. Held it. Not much happened the next day, $13. Following day, February 1st, was my first major day, which $646 in profit. The next day was $569 in profit. The next day was only $34, and then $322 on February 4th. Another $367 on the 5th. On the 8th, I made $754. Now, this is my best day so far with this paper trading account. Then I made $225. I was down about 80 bucks, up 161 on the 11th of February, and up $577 on February 12th. Now, why am I doing so good? Why do I have so many more green days than red days? Well, I am going to show you right now what companies are performing for me at this current moment. Now, I'm going to show you the performance of stocks total while also showing you the positions I have. CCIV, I got in for an average price of $33 even. Now, I set this price on purpose because I knew it was going to go up into the 40s and 42 mark. I am actually up 20% on CCIville or Churchill Capital, which gives me an unrealized gain of $380. Now, I'm going to go over unrealized gain, and then I'm going to go over the actual profits I've locked in. Whitestone REIT, I have 320 shares of that company, and I am up $200. Starwood Property Trust, 54 shares, I'm up $150. Gladstone Capital, I have 115 shares, and I'm up $134. Now, they do pay a monthly dividend, which is what I love about them. I have Main Street Capital, Yala, EPD or Enterprise Product, Novio Pharmaceutical, Apple REIT, O Realty Income, AG&C Investment, Coca-Cola, Preferred Apartments, GEVO, which I'm actually down $24, but that is unrealized. Tesla, I'm down $41, also unrealized. And Neo Inc., I am down $83, which is also unrealized. Now, let's go over performance. In the last 1 month, I am up 11%. If I can keep up this traction and momentum, I would have an annual return of 247%. Who would love to double or almost triple their money every single year? Right. Dividends. Gladstone Capital, $7.48, payment on January 21st. Realty Income, payment on January 29th for $4. AG&C Investment got a dividend of $7.44 on the 28th of January. And Whitestone REIT was able to pay me $11.20 on February 1st, which is pretty awesome. So I'm making money through appreciation, I'm making money through dividends, and I'm also making money on day trading and swing trading. So that brings me to this currently, trading P&Ls. What stocks have I done the best in and what stocks have I not done so great in? Well, in the month so far, I'm up almost $800 on Mara. Now, not almost. Now, this is realized gains. This is profit I have taken. I have bought and sold these positions and made profit. So I'm up $792 on Mara patent, which is basically similar to Bitcoin. I am up $375 on Vine Therapeutics on multiple positions and plays, buying and selling over the last month. Almost $300 on INO, $250 on UMC, $200 on Workhorse Group, which I was pretty awesome. I made some money on that because it did go down the following day and I would still be negative. So definitely lock your profits in when you can. I know some people say to never sell your companies in the long term, but it depends. If you're going to hold it long term and you believe in it, great. You want to lock in some profits because you're a little bit skeptical, lock in those profits, guys. Zomedica Corp, I'm up $200 on this company, and this was not a very pricey stock at all. Up $150 on ITSE, $117 on IAA Inc., $105 on Starwood Property Trust, $103 on Whitestone REIT, $83 on Gladstone, $34 on O, and as you can see, there's a few others. Don't have any realized losses on here. I do not like to sell for losses. I truly do not like to sell for losses. And also, if you're watching this video right now, I'm going to give you a tip. Okay, this is a tip. Now, before I give you the tip, smash the like button, first off. But the tip basically is you need to invest in companies if you're day trading and swing trading. Definitely take some speculative plays, that you're willing to take and maybe possibly lose money on. But do your day trades and swing trades on companies you don't mind holding long term if your trade goes sour. Like, especially like Gladstone Capital right now. I've been adding shares to this company and buying the dip for quite some time. So if you just buy the dip, then you lower your average cost or average price per share. And then when it goes up, you can sell it you could literally take out your entire investment and then leave in what you make profit on it and just keep doing it over and over and over again. That's probably the best way to do your account, especially through dividends and new beginner investors. You want dividends, you want companies that slowly go up over time, and you want to buy the dip and hold long term or swing trade and lock in some of the profits. Um, that's kind of what I have as far as that goes. This is the update for this video. You want me to go in depth on any other stocks or any stocks you've seen on this currently, you can. As in, let me show you here. This is the max life. It only goes to January 4th. So I just started trading with this account now. 14% isn't a heck of a whole lot in 1 month, and to some it might be a lot in 1 month, but 14% is pretty awesome in my opinion for my own standards. 30 days in a month, that's 2% a day. I will take it. That's just average. I mean, I was up 2% this day, 2% this day, 1, and then almost 3% this. So small gains over time definitely will build your account up. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share it with a friend if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.